Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the PassFab channel. Good news for you, Tiny 11 is officially released. It is a lightweight version of Windows 11. However, Windows 11 has high system installation requirements. When you only have a low-end PC, Windows 11 will not work correctly on your PC. Tiny 11 systems have much lower installation requirements. It requires only 8 GB of storage and 2 GB of RAM to run correctly. If you want to install Windows 11 on your PC, Tiny 11 is a good choice. Next, we will talk about how to get and install Tiny 11. The first step is to back up all the data on your PC and be sure to do so. A download link for Tiny 11 is put in the video's description. You can download it by clicking on it. Once downloaded, you can burn the USB using Ultra ISO or PassFab for ISO. Here is a demonstration using PassFab for ISO. Launch PassFab for ISO. Select Burn. Import the Tiny 11 ISO file. Click Open and Next. Insert an empty USB. Click Burn and Continue. Wait for the USB burning to complete. Once done, check the boot tutorial. OK, now plug the USB into the PC. Restart the PC. When the PC displays the logo, quickly press F12 to open the boot menu. Select USB boot and it will usually show the brand with USB. Wait for the Tiny 11 installer to load. OK, the first two steps are not important, just click Next. Now it comes to hard drive selection. Select the original system installation bit. If prompted can't be installed on the drive, Windows can only be installed on GPT disks. Then you need to change the format of the disk. This process will erase everything on the disk, so be sure to remember to back up the data on your hard drive. Press Shift F10 to open the command prompt. Type the following command. Press Enter. Show all disks. Select the Windows installation disk. Clear hard disk data. Convert disks to GPT format. OK, close the command prompt. Click the refresh option. Now you can install the system. Click Next. Wait for the Windows system installation to complete. Once done, unplug the USB. Windows systems still need to load for a while. Please wait. OK, do the system setup. After completing the setup, it will take a while to load. What a long installation process. Windows 11 is finally installed. The interface of Windows 11 is much more beautiful than Windows 7. After trying, if you want to use back to the original system, then you can only download the original system installation package and reinstall it. Here I recommend you use PassFab for ISO. Various versions of Windows are available for download. You can read ISO images or burn USB. Then you can install Windows. That's all about Tiny 11. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.